So I know I can't be the only one who's broken their Addi. Well, if you have, today's the video I'm going to show you how to replace one of your needles if you've broken it. All you're going to need is your Addi, of course, a screwdriver or a motorized screwdriver, and your replacement Addi needles. So I broke my Addi. It's this one right here. And today we're going to fix it. Jump right into it. I have these. I'm using the PH0. No, I don't know what that means, but that's the one I'm using. So you can use a screwdriver or like one of these, like a motorized one. And you want to make sure that you put it in reverse. So this is reverse, that's forward. Make sure you put it in reverse. And basically we're just going to take off all the screws. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're just going to take them all out. This piece and this piece comes off so easily, like they literally just slide out. And here are the screws. Just make sure you keep them together, you don't want to lose them. So just take these two pieces out and put them aside somewhere else. So these ones are a little bit further down, so you will need an actual like hand screwdriver or like an extension here, because if you do it on an angle you're going to mess up the screws, which I already did. So make sure you're going straight down when you're removing the two ones on the inside, and just go ahead and take them out as well. Okay, and after you remove these two, you can take this one out, or this piece out. It looks like this. My machine is so dusty, ignore that. And then this is the broken one, so we're just going to slide that right out and insert a new one. Luckily I do have a black peg, so I am going to use that one. It's my last black one. I don't have any other left. And you basically just replace it just like that, and you just go ahead and reassemble. So we're going to put this back here, just line up all the holes together, and then put in the screws. You want to take your screwdriver, or if you're using the drill, make sure you're pushing it forward, and then just drill it in. Great. And then you take the other pieces and do the same thing. The red piece goes in first, and you just want to align your black needle with the number 1 slot. Okay, so maybe pushing this down does help it go. Then you want to take this and line it up with the counter and line the holes up again. And then just put your screws in one by one. And there you have it. It's good as new. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.